I'm always fascinated by birds. I always say I want to fly like a bird. I want to feel freedom to the core of my heart. When I see birds sit on a wall and then just open their wings to fly into an abyss of sky, it makes me jealous. I wish I could do that. जब मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांट लगाए या मुझे सोशल लाइफ से छुटकारा पाना बट अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे इफ आई वुड लाइक टू बिकम अ बर्ड इन माई नेक्स्ट लाइफ आई वुड प्रोबेबली से नो क्योंकि जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट birds don't have a home. It only makes home, that is a nest, when it is about to lay eggs. In a video, particularly an astrology video, someone told that person like me would crave freedom so much that I will be chained to freedom. I do crave freedom, but do I want to be chained to freedom? I don't know about that. Well, are birds chained to freedom too? Udna has always been depicted as a liberating feeling in many songs, like Ud ja ab teri bari hai. Okay, I'm not a very good singer. Just bear with me. Ude dil befikre, and then hum to उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए. I love these songs. जब हम जीतते हैं then we fly, when we fall in love then we fly, जब हमें खुशी मिले तब हम उड़ना चाहते हैं. शायद इसलिए क्योंकि एक खुला आसमान is like a place with no boundaries and no rules, like a heaven on earth, unbounded by any limitations. Isn't it fascinating to think about it like that? In 7th grade we had this poem in Hindi which has a verse which goes like हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजर बंद न गा पाएंगे कनक पिल्लियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. I love this poem. That is why I still remember it. I always believe that freedom is something that is going to get me utmost bliss. I always wanted to be Kabir from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Until recently, I started to question Kabir's life. Would he have had better relationship with his friends if he had not gone abroad? Would he have had a better relationship with his parents if he had decided to stay back? Would he have had a better life if he had decided to give up on his lifelong dream? I don't know, but I do know that it is always better to go see what's beyond really a greener grass than just stay back to regret or miss out something we don't know about.